Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to create and update backdated daysheet. From daysheet page we can change or edit task for previous days also. To active previous day task sheet we need to change task setting from account setting page. In task settings page, enter how much days for backdated daysheet entry you want. Then click on Save button. Well done message show that our setting is updated successfully. Click on daysheet dates and select date in which we need to update task detail. Under Billable Tasks tab we can fill customer name, account task from drop-down menu, then write how much time we spent on this task and fill the remark column for our reference. And then save the page by click on Save button. Successfully updated message will pop up. On top of the page we can see our working hours for that day. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.